Hey guys.
Hello. Welcome to the magical Mayan flea-fighting deodorant to end all deodorants. Welcome to the people of Peru ancient deodorant recipe.
What the fuck?
Welcome to the magical alien deodorant. Welcome to the ancient Indian Rishi's deodorant that will help you levitate if you use it. It's a freaking natural deodorant, but it's the best deodorant you're ever gonna get, and it's nice for you. It's healthy, it's good stuff, and the most important thing, it's honor fighting. And you want smell. So deodorant is one of the most controversial personal hygiene products. The aluminum in it has been implicated in breast cancer and Alzheimer's, if I'm not mistaken. So because it is applied close to the lymph nodes, it is better to avoid it. If you can find a natural solution, if you can make your own, like we do, which is very effective. In fact, it's the most effective deodorant I've ever used, commercial deodorants included. So this is our recipe for it.
So, today we are using 5 ingredients: coconut oil, cocoa butter, arrowroot, baking soda, and shea butter.